Peace and blessings, collective. Welcome to Yoni Love Herbals and this red tent community. I'm super excited about this video because today I'm going to be talking about our Love Struck collection. So if you're looking for some Yoni steams or some help with getting in the mood during this love season that is happening during the month of February, then this video is for you. I'm also going to be talking about some self-care and self-love tips and techniques that I have used throughout the years in relation to Yoni semen and in relation to womb health. So if those things are things that you're interested, please stay tuned and make sure you watch the video to the very end so that you can take advantage of the promo code that I'm putting there and you can get a discount off of our Love Struck collection, which is currently live on our site and will only be live until the end of February. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. Okay, so as you guys know, I usually release our Love Struck collection only for the month of February. So as we usually do, this year we released two of our major selling Yoni semen blends. The first one is Wap'ed and the second one is Punani Power. And I'm going to show both of them to you and kind of explain how they work and the energy behind them. And then we'll jump into that. But I also have released two new products to our Yoni semen collection. And I'm excited because normally in the regular previous years, we have done kind of like self-care or self-glamour boxes. But this time I decided I'm going to do something a little bit different. I wanted to marry the concept of our herbal supplements and Yoni steams along with some other things that I know that you could use to set the mood and to set your space if you are looking into getting into the nitty-gritty sexy thing during this love season, or if you're just simply looking for a way for you to infuse your own life with self-love. So either way, the pouches will work for you. So the first thing that I want to show you is our Wap'ed by Yoni Love Herbals Yoni steam. And I freaking love these jars because they're cute. They're heart-shaped. And so as you can see, it's filled all the way to the top. Okay. And so the Wap'ed by Yoni Semen blend, Wap'ed by Yoni Love Herbals Yoni Semen blend is what I'm trying to say, is clearly created. Can you guys see that? Yeah. Anyway, it's created to increase the vaginal moisture. And so the whole entire Wap'ed line, obviously, is to increase vaginal moisture. But something that I really wanted to amplify in our Wap'ed steaming line and in our supplements is that not only that you increase the vaginal moisture, but you also balance pH. A lot of times if you experience issues with your vaginal moisture, it can be in relation to hormonal imbalances as well as your pH being off balance. So it was really important for me that as I was creating our supplement and I was creating our Yoni semen blend, that we focused a lot of our attention on, of course, increasing vaginal moisture, but also regulating the hormones. And so that's exactly what this Yoni semen blend does. On the back of the card, you will get full out instructions and everything to do to tell you how to use the Yoni semen blend. You can use it just like any other Yoni semen blend. I do not suggest for those girls who are looking for being intimate during this holiday season. I do not, or I should say Valentine's Day season, I do not encourage you to Yoni steam more than once out of a weekend. So like say, for example, you're preparing for Valentine's Day and you want to increase your vaginal moisture. I would suggest that you Yoni steam like the Saturday or Sunday before Valentine's Day and then wait 4 days and then you steam again. So if you know that you're going to be expecting to get with your partner and you're looking to be able to increase vaginal moisture right before you're intimate, I would suggest that you do it the same day that you're going to be with them versus spreading it out over time. So set some time aside for you to do a little bit of self-love, self-care, and to Yoni semen have a session. The next blend that we release in our Love Struck collection is our Punani Power blend. And this blend is really for the sister who wants to increase self-love. It's all about invoking your inner bad bitch. And excuse my French here on this YouTube channel, but that's exactly what it is. When I made this blend, for me, it was like all the herbs that said to me, I'm a bad bitch, that's what I put into this blend. It's to increase your self-love. It's to increase your confidence. It's to increase your assertiveness. It's to increase all of those bad bitch characteristics that a lot of us are looking to be able to increase, like self-esteem and things like that. That's what the energy was behind this. So I highly suggest that even with our Wap'ed blend, before you enter into your Yoni steaming session, you want to sit down and you want to really ground yourself and say the affirmations like, I am strong, I am powerful, I am, I am a queen. I am, like, whatever your affirmations are for self-esteem, I will be saying those as I am steaming and really invoking that energy out loud and affirming to yourself and to the universe what you are walking in during this month of self-love. And then I'm super excited because the pouches are what we came up. So check these pouches out, y'all. They are so freaking cute. And I know I'm probably biased. Y'all probably like, Hadida, of course you're going to say that it's your product. But no, I really put a lot of thought into this. So look at these little cute pouches. Isn't this cute? Like, I made it small enough that you can literally drop it. Like, you can close this up and drop it into your pocketbook and be able to take this on the go with you. So even after you use all the products that come inside of the pouch, you would still be able to carry it with you if you wanted to and carry all of your Yoni steaming items inside. So inside of our first package comes our Wap'ed Yoni steaming blend. Okay, and this is enough herb for you to get one Yoni steam. So say, for example, if you know that you're getting ready to be intimate and hook up with your mate or your lover or whoever, you want to do this Yoni steam, this particular Yoni steam, right before you get into, your date. And then along with that comes our Wap'ed herbal supplement. And so we now have a herbal supplement here at Yoni Love Herbals that helps to increase the vaginal moisture. And this actually comes with 14 capsules inside of the pack. You don't need 14 in order for you to get the WAP, but this helps with it. And we just give you a little bit of extra. So you actually get 14 capsules. You would take 2 capsules in the morning on an empty stomach, and it will help to increase vaginal moisture. I typically tell my women, like, if you know that you're going to be hooking up on Friday, I would start to take my capsules somewhere around like Wednesday, Thursday to let the herbs really get into your system and start to work their magic. And then you also get a Punani Power Yoni steaming blend, and this is enough for 1 serving as well. And you can invoke your inner bad bitch. Okay, so you might be like, all right, I want to invoke my inner bad bitch after I go do the love thing. I want to be able to invoke that inner energy of queen, goddess. You know how we try to do. Anyway, so you might want to increase that, and so you will be able to use our Punani Power Yoni steaming blend. And then there is also this really small but really powerful pack of incense, and these incense I brought back with me from Senegal, West Africa, the last time I went, and we're almost sold out, and they are so freaking sweet. They're like sweet. They're crystallized. Okay, they take it through a specific process where they make the wood sit and steep inside of the incense, and it crystallizes around the wood, and then as you burn it, it freaking lights up your room. So you have 5 to 6 sticks of this really powerful incense inside of the package, as well as, of course, y'all know I'm gonna hook y'all up with a crystal every single time, a pink rose quartz crystal. And so you will be able to take the rose quartz crystal, use it during your affirmations and invoke the energy of your inner goddess, your inner bad bitch, your inner Wap'ed queen, whatever you want to go for. During your Yoni steaming session, you will be able to use your rose quartz crystal to really infuse love into your womb, into your energy and your aura, and also into your vibration. Because outside of like being intimate with our mates, of course, right, during this time, I feel like the biggest thing that we should be focused on is self-love. And ultimately, Yoni steaming allows us to come face to face with the ability to infuse love into our lives and really get down to all the things that we want to work on, that we want to heal, the shadow work, the emotions, all of those things. They just come full force with Yoni steaming. So for me, this is the perfect time to do it. And so even if you don't have a mate, this is one of those things where Yoni steaming can help you. And so the Punani Power will be for you, because it just really helps to bring that self-love into your energy and into your aura. Okay, and last but not least is our next pouch. And this pouch is the lover's pouch, okay? It comes with our King-a-Ling herbal supplement, and you get 14 in here. So this is for the king, and he has 14, and this helps with his libido. Sorry, y'all, my camera is going crazy. This helps with the libido. So it's the King-a-Ling libido. And then we have the Wap'ed Yoni steaming blend inside. So this is for you. And you will be able to be on your goddess-ish with that Punani Power as well, of course, flowing through you. And then our Wap'ed herbal supplement also comes inside. Okay, and there's also 14 capsules in this. And then last but not least is our bar soap. So you will also get a pineapple mango bar soap inside of your package. And so you will get the whole kit for you to be able to use during your Yoni steaming, womb health and wellness, self-love, get that WAP journey. I do want to really quickly say, though, for any sisters who are interested in purchasing any of these things in time for Valentine's Day, it is extremely crucial that you make your purchase on the website no later than Saturday at 4 p.m. Okay, Saturday at 4 p.m. is cutoff time for us to ensure that you will get it. If you happen to make your purchase after Saturday at 4 p.m., it will still be mailed out next business day. So on Monday, because they don't ship obviously on Sundays, but it will be mailed out on Monday. But I can't guarantee, unless you are close to Philly, like straight down the East Coast, mostly like down to Florida, you will get it in 2 days. But sometimes it takes 3 days. So I just don't want you to miss out on the opportunity. Now, if you know that your date is not going to be happening until the weekend, then you can still absolutely purchase Sunday and make sure that you be able to get it. But I am doing a sale right now. So if you go to the website to purchase any of the steams that I showed you, or the love packages, or our Yoni steaming gowns, which are also on sale right now, all of our Yoni steaming gowns are only $20. All of our pouches are on sale. All of our Punani Power and Wap'ed glass jars are usually $30. They are on sale right now for $25 as well. And then if you buy 2 of them, you get a little special extra gift in the mail as well. All of our body lotions and body washes from the wellness club that I am a part of is also on sale on the website. So you can get all of those good, yummy Valentine's Day goodies. You will be able to get all of them on sale right now if you use the promo code LOVESTRUCK. So you want to go to the website, and I'm going to make sure that I'll put it here in this video. You're going to use the promo code LOVE, L-O-V-E, STRUCK, S-T-R-U-C-K. And you're going to put that in, and it's going to take 15% off of your order, in addition to the regular sale that we are currently having on the website. And then you can check around a whole bunch of other things. There's a bunch of things on sale right now, just for the energy of self-love and infusing that energy throughout the month from Yoni Love Herbals directly to you, our beloved customers and our community. So without further ado, I'm going to end this video. If you have not already, please subscribe to the Yoni Love Herbals / the Shred 10 community. Oh yeah, one more thing, y'all. I have decided this month that I'm going to be putting a lot of the Yoni steaming content into our Yoni Love Herbals channel here on YouTube. So if you have not already, make sure you go over there and you subscribe, because this Red Tint is not just meant to be about womb healing, and those are not the only things that I'm going to be covering in 2024. So if you want to make sure that you catch all of the Yoni steaming information and knowledge much that I have, make sure that you go subscribe to our Yoni Love Herbals channel here on YouTube, as well as follow us on TikTok, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, because we're constantly posting about the different things that we're doing in the community, the events that we're going to, the ways that you can connect with us on a regular basis. We're posting about all of that. And you can find all of those links to all the social media below. Without further ado, I love you guys. I hope everyone has an amazing remaining week, and also, of course, an amazing week going into Valentine's Day, and that you infuse love into yourself, but also love into those around you. Peace. Until next time.